Okay, the bumper shelf project is complete. And not only that, but I also got. Hold on, let me take a look, show you this. Boop. I can control the lights with my phone. I can just change the color right over here. Like if I want yellowish, blue, or cyan. Have any color I want. Also, I can change the style. Which just is here a white flash, which flashes white. I can change the speed of how I want it to flash. I can also do a 7-color strobe flash. So it's just gonna flash a bunch of different colors. And also I can do some other colors like let's see, we'll do red and blue crossfade. Whoop. The popo, it looks like the popo's going at me now. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I got some ideas for that. And we get this, which is also just blinks. You can change the color of what color blinks. Maybe I want green blink. And my favorite, which is the 7-color crossfade, which changes into the 7 colors. And if you're wondering what am I using to power these lights, well, it's these things right behind it. These little lights here. I got 4 of them. There's 1, 2 here, and 3 here, and 4. So I just wanted to show you that this project is complete, and I didn't really record like much until like I attached these, like the board and the bumper and the wood together. I didn't really tell you much. I mean, not tell you, but I didn't really record much after that. But I also, to fix the problem with the nails in the way, I put this little piece of wood over it. It's not real little, but just a piece of wood. And also I mounted some shelf brackets, I think you call them. Not sure. And yeah, I'll probably put a link in the description to show you where you can get these if you ever have an idea. Get the lights. If you have an idea what you want to do with them. And also you can control them with your phone, which I showed you. So I can also turn it back off. Let me get my phone here again. Okay, so I can just like turn it back off, and there, it's off. Yeah, and that's gonna be all. Goodbye.